Hello everyone, welcome. You can watch how Turkish baklava, mussel baklava, Gaziantep style baklava are made in this video. How to make baklava dough and how to open it, how to give the shape of mussels to baklava, how to make baklava ingredients and Gaziantep style cream for baklava. How to cook baklava and how it should be sherbet, you can watch them in detail. Hard flour is used to make baklava dough.I can cite pizza flour as an example. 3 eggs are added for 1 kilogram of flour. I am now in the best baklava factory in the city close to home. This is Taşoğlu baklava, which makes Gaziantep baklava. Since 150 trays of baklava are made in this workshop a day, this amount of dough is prepared. For 1 kilogram of flour, 250 grams of cold water is added. The dough will be mixed for about 25 minutes. Adding 10 grams of salt for 1 kilogram of dough. Dough ingredients, flour, eggs, cold water and salt are pressed after 25 minutes mixed, will be finely rolled out in industrial dough sheeter. You can watch a little how the industrial machine opens. The mussel baklava to be made for us will be opened by hand. Wheat starch is used to open by hand. The dough that comes out of the machine in a thick form is laid on the marble counter by adding starch. The dough is expanded using a rolling pin and started to roll more thinly. Please don't forget to like and comment my videos, watch the videos from start to finish, and if you are not subscribed, click the bell icon to subscribe and be notified of new videos. It is necessary to be a master in order to roll the dough in this way. The dough for mussels baklava does not need to be too thin. After the dough is prepared in the desired thickness, its length is adjusted. The baklava dough is wrapped in a thin rolling pin and creased and then laid out on the bench. This technique is used to make baklava dough look folded wrinkled. Pistachios to be added to mussels baklava, and dairy product called sherbet known as cream. I share with you how this baklava cream is made. It uses original milk, not packaged milk. Fresh milk is boiled and semolina is added. We can say 100 grams of semolina for 1 kilogram of milk. After adding semolina, it is expected to reach the desired consistency by mixing for at least 5 minutes. After the consistency of the mixture is like this, it should be cooled immediately by pouring it thinly on the trays. Now the ingredients for the mussel baklava will be added and the shaping phase will be started. Rice-sized pistachios are being added.
Biraz da zoom yap. Ufuk gören masum köylü.
Prepared milk balls are covered with pistachios and added. Then, pistachios are added again. We can understand that it is a baklava with a lot of material and a little dough. After the ingredients are added, the baklava dough will be closed and cut. After being cut, it is inverted and compressed. In this way, the baklavas are shaped like mussels. After the baklavas is shaped, the excess parts at the ends are cut and the baklava is placed on the aluminum tray. If you are wondering what happens to these cut dough parts, they are recycled and used for making baklava. Baklava has reached the last stage before baking. Now butter will be added on it. In the cooking stage of these traditional baklavas, they are traditionally made in a stone-based black oven. Oak wood fire is used for roasting baklava and the embers formed are collected at the edge and the oven temperature is expected to be 250 degrees. While the baklava is cooked in the oven until it is completely browned, the sherbet is prepared in boiling form. Sugar, lemon juice and water. If you are going to do it at home, use 5 glasses of water for 5 glasses of sugar and a few drops of lemon juice will be enough. A special stove is used to brown the base after the baklava is browned. Please don't forget to like and comment my videos, watch the videos from start to finish, and if you are not subscribed, click the bell icon to subscribe and be notified of new videos. After the bottom part of the baklava is fried, the sherbet is added hot. While the sherbet is added, it should be boiling. Baklava will be ready to be served after cooling. Many thanks to everyone who contributed to the preparation of this video. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.